RIME stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Algorhythm Holdings stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. And just observing this, we're sitting at 13 cents. Even Friday, like, was such a bearish day. You know, it was like 18% down, and this is ultimately still how my thing looks like. Now, context, I've done 34,000 videos, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything myself, and it's game on for me. Specifically yesterday, like Friday, last trading day of the week, it's purely because it was sitting here. I said if I have a double break, it's game on. Came down, broke the structure again. If you look at the line chart, that's ultimately how it looked like. It broke structure, and then that's why it's game on for me. Now, there's two outcomes. Either comes back to the break even or hits the TP, and that's about it. It's obviously not financial advice. I'm really curious to see if I have anything RIME related here. Not necessarily. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on this. Only for now, not forever. I have no harsh feelings towards this. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.